In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through how to export data from Wufoo. Whether you're new to Wufoo or just need a refresher, this step-by-step guide will help you easily extract your form data, ensuring you can work with it in the format you need. Let's get started by heading over to wufoo.com. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL. Once you're there, log into your Wufoo account with your credentials, and you'll be ready to begin the process of exporting your data. After logging in, the next thing you want to do is click on the Forms tab. This is where you'll find all the forms you've created in Wufoo. If you have a lot of forms, you might need to scroll or use the search feature to locate the specific form you're interested in exporting data from. Clicking on Forms will display a list of all your available forms, making it easy for you to proceed to the next step. Now, select the form from which you want to export data. Simply click on the form name, and you'll be directed to a new page. On this page, locate and click on Entries. This option will take you to a list of all the entries that have been submitted through the selected form. It's essentially the database of responses collected from your form. Once you're on the Entries page, you'll see a list of all the individual entries or responses to your form. Here, you have the flexibility to export all entries or just a specific set. If you wish to export specific entries, you can do this by selecting the relevant entries. To do this, check the checkbox next to each entry you want to include in your export. This step is particularly helpful if you're only interested in a subset of data rather than the entire collection of entries. With your entries selected, the next step is to click on Download Entries. You'll find this option typically located at the top of the page. Clicking on this will open up a menu with different download options for your data. It's a straightforward action that prepares your selected entries for export. Finally, you'll be prompted to choose your preferred file format. Wufoo offers two main formats for exporting data, CSV or Excel. If you're unsure which format to choose, here's a quick tip. CSV files are great for compatibility and can be used with a wide range of software, while Excel files are ideal if you plan to do further data manipulation or analysis using Microsoft Excel. Select your preferred format by clicking on either CSV or Excel, and there you have it. You've successfully exported your data from Wufoo. By following these steps, you can easily obtain your form data in a format that suits your needs, whether for reporting, analysis, or sharing with others. Remember, exporting your data regularly can help keep your records organized and make it easier to track and analyze trends over time. Thank you for following along with this quick guide. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides on using Wufoo and other tools. Happy exporting!